The Vatican is introducing artificial intelligence in honor of the 400th anniversary of the consecration of St. Peter's Basilica, one of the main shrines of the Christian world. Cardinal Mauro Gambetti, rector of the Basilica, has announced numerous technological initiatives to mark this historic milestone. At the heart of the anniversary program stands a multilingual liturgical platform powered by artificial intelligence. This platform will support worship services and help pilgrims from around the world participate more deeply in the liturgy. Developed in collaboration with the Dicastery for Communications and Translated, the service will allow real-time monitoring of divine services in 60 languages. The goal is simple yet profound: to make the liturgy accessible to a truly universal church. Access will be provided through QR codes at the entrance and inside the cathedral. No applications required. Pilgrims will receive audio and text translations directly in their browser. Cardinal Gambetti explained that this step will allow visitors to understand the words of prayer more deeply and take fuller part in the sacred service. In addition, a new digital typeface will be introduced, Michelangelus, inspired by the handwriting of Michelangelo. Developers digitized elements of his handwritten notes and architectural sketches, transforming them into a modern font. This typeface connects centuries of heritage. The Vatican will also modernize visitor access systems, expanded online booking, simplified entry procedures, and improved navigation. And for the first time, broader access to terraces. After 4 centuries, St. Peter's Basilica stands at the meeting point of tradition and technology, faith and innovation. Like and subscribe for more stories about faith, history, and technology, where history meets the future.